Welcome to this week's edition of Center Circle. I am Jordan Fort. KSAFA President Mark Bennett has only been in the seat since November, but already he has started firing shots at the structure of Jamaica's football. With the Jamaica Football Federation elections due later this year, President of the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association, Mark Bennett, is not expecting changes at the helm if changes aren't made at the parish level. According to many, the change in the JFF Constitution, which saw the voting numbers being increased from 13 to 56, is a step in the right direction. But Bennett is not going to be blinded by the ruling body.
Did you know that it was the same group of persons who reduced the number from 100 plus to 13, and it is almost the same group of persons who have moved it back to 56. It's almost the same group of persons, you know. Then do you really believe that in moving from 100 to 13, what was the motivation? And now moving from 13 to 56, I'm asking you and Jamaica, do you really believe that the motivation has changed? My personal view, and I know I'm going to lose a lot of friends, and I'm going to be taken to task. I view the whole thing as what I call the garrisonization of the votes.
But JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung hit back, questioning what a garrison is.
Boy, you know, I'm trying to figure out what it is. A garrison, as I know, is a sort of community that is a stronghold, right? So you'll find that the garrisons that we talk about, the political garrisons, is where you know that no politician can lose there in their garrison. I don't understand the reference because the fact is that we're moving from 13 votes, which the parishes alone can vote, to 56 votes, which the parishes now represent 26 of 56 votes, rather than 13 of 13. So I would think that what we have now is a garrison.
Of course, there are new bodies in there, but who are those bodies? Coaches Association, that exists only on paper. Jamaica Beach Football, that don't exist right now. But where are those members that are going to come from? You have other entities that can go on. Tier 2 women, where are those entities going to come from? No, there's no Tier 2. Who are going to control those votes?